TikTok login problem with Facebook step-by-step fix. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to learn how we can solve the TikTok app's login problem when you try to log in using Facebook, and we're going to demonstrate that today. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Now, if you're not being able to log into TikTok, maybe previously you had linked your TikTok account using your Facebook account. Now today, let's say that you are trying to log in to your TikTok account using your Facebook account, right? So maybe I go to my profile page, then I go to login, then I select continue with Facebook. You just have to select your Facebook account over here by tapping on continue, and you have to make sure to allow the Facebook access. But if you're not being able to do so, there could be a couple of reasons. First, you must 100% make sure that you had previously created an account with Facebook, because if you're trying to log in, it might sometimes be that you had not linked your account with Facebook, but maybe like Google or phone number, so you can try to log in using those. Second, make sure to log into the Facebook account on the Facebook app from which you want to log into TikTok. Then open up TikTok. Then when you tap on login with Facebook, it'll give you the pop-up of your Facebook account. So you simply have to continue as your Facebook name in order to log in, and that should help you log in. If not, then you can just try to use your phone, email, or username just to see if you had signed up with those. So if you had used your email, you can enter your email. If you had used your phone, you should be able to enter using those details. I hope the video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.